Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a locked Fundbox account. Getting locked out of your Fundbox account can disrupt your access to capital, but it's usually fixable with a few quick steps. Here's how to troubleshoot and regain access efficiently. Now, common reasons for account lockout: one could be too many failed login attempts. By entering the wrong password multiple times, this is going to trigger a security lock. Second is suspicious activity detected. Fundbox may lock your account if there's a potential security concern. Third, outdated or incorrect business information. Discrepancies in your account details can of course lead to a freeze. Also, you have overdue repayments. Now, if you've missed several repayments, your accounts may be restricted. Also, if there's a violation of terms of service, Fundbox may suspend access pending a review. Now, here's the step-by-step to regain access. First, you're going to try resetting your password. Go to Fundbox login page, click Forgot Password, enter your registered email, and then follow the password reset instructions sent to your inbox. If the reset fails, then continue to the next step. Step 2 is to contact Fundbox support. If password recovery doesn't work or your account is still locked, you want to go to support@fundbox.com and then send an email with the subject account locked, and of course include your business name. You're going to include in your message your full name, email associated with the account, likewise your business name, a description of the issue, and any recent activities that might have triggered the lock. Fundbox typically responds within 1 to 2 business days for these kinds of emails. Next is to prepare to verify your identity. Be ready to provide a valid government-issued identification card, as well as recent bank statements or business registration documents. You're also going to need explanations of any unusual activity. This helps Fundbox to confirm that you're rightfully the account owner, and of course probably help you take care of the issue. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.